So yeah guys, welcome to my new vlog. Sorry vlog, not short. So in today's video I will gonna add something good mods for my video. So I'm just telling you this mod is too horrific and so horrid. So let's go. I am so lucky because I just spawned just on this village. What the hell, man, bro? Just gone there. I just had a loot mod for this because assigned with too much loot for this horror mods. Let me check. Let me check. Yeah. Oh my god. What? This is a loot. This is too good, bro, man. This is too good, dude, bro. I'm not just describing. Yes. Let's go. The findings of woods is too nice. Yes. I just spawned in video and discussed. Destroying the village is too nice and collecting some woods. Let's go. 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 Oh yes, yes, yes. One log left and oh no, it's not log. Okay, let's go. Yes, inside. Subscribe to my channel to rating Shivan Gamer is too fast to get earning subscribers. But I am not just earning subscribers, okay? Fast getting on there. Fast food collecting and making something like tools for protecting me in like these horrific mods. Is that a village? Oh, Swartsmith village. Let's go on this. Can I get something iron? Oh yeah, it's iron pickaxe and iron leggings, boots and some apples. Okay, I don't telling the goal for them. Okay, get on there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What I got? Oh my god, it's just new update for Invincible in the village. Okay, okay. I love this new update in the Minecraft. So look at this, bro. Look at this. It's helped me too much. Okay. Can I? Oh, it's a big. It's a Protonadius villager. Okay, let's go. It's going to be my shelter in the night because a horror mod can hunt me and get me died. Okay. Just making something tools, crafting table and pickaxe, iron axe for protecting me and getting some foods for night surviving on there. Let's go. I am making something tools. Okay, okay. Okay, crafting table is made. Let's go. What I get? Let's go, let's go. Let's go. So, iron pickaxe, axe, iron pickaxe, axe, sword, and another sword. Let's go. I want to make armor, but I don't know enough damn iron, so make iron armor. Let's go, let's go. In this time my recording is sucked, so in this time I just recording voice on this new app, and today's in all my videos I will editing on KineMaster app, so please don't get me installed in short. I'm bored to InShot, so I get something new in KineMaster. It's hard to edit, but it's got me professional editing for more views. So this is the way. Please get night for me. Okay, can I get on this? It's nothing. I get some food for surviving. Let's go. And subscribe to my second channel, Oranex Shorts. I upload my music videos on there and some shorts. Subscribe to my brother's channel, Mindsy Gamer. Please subscribe him and support him. And we get a survival one and SMP with this horror mod. And in fact, I don't add something horror mods, but I have on this 3 horror mods because it's too horrific, not adding some horror mods, and I don't have adding any gun mod for this way. It's episode 1, episode 2. I have timeless and classic version 0.45 mod is too awesome, and the nice realistic gun animation because this is episode 1, so it's not will be a too good. And whoa, I see something. It's another iron village. Okay, I forgot. Did you comment this? Okay, I got some good irons for this to make armor, but I'm not making armor. Oh my god, it's too much iron on there. 6 iron and some apples. pickaxe and sword. Let's go. Sapling helped me because of my I'm making house with only wood and something stylish. Let's go on this way. It's gonna be fun on this episode. Please like and subscribe. Goal is 600 subscriber. In 600 subscriber, I will get my face reveal. Not completely in 1K subscriber. So please subscribe if you want my face reveal. Okay. Just protecting this podcast is nighting. Protect them because dwellers are too smart and too strong. He break the door and come to me and kill me. So I'm just getting some oak planks to cover the door for nothing. Oh no! I just fall out. Please not that mistake on night because dweller will be eat me like this, bro. I got my heart out, bro. No. What? Oh yeah, it's on there. Let's go. There's nothing, bro. There's nothing. Recording, bro. Yo, for sure, this is a good shelter. I got something nice, but let's get golden apple. I will get an oak plank and a trapdoor for this ladder, and not any dweller kill me. So it's getting night. And a fun fact, I am just tomorrow crackling some crackers and two crackers burn and blast on my hand and my two fingers got burned too much, so I will not making videos consistently. I make my last video 2 months later. 2 months, bro. Sorry for this. Every my subscriber waiting for my new video, but I am sorry. I am focusing on my shorts, but I forgot about my subscribers who love my videos. So sorry subscriber. In this time, I will uploading my video 15 days above. And okay, sorry for this. I'm really sorry for this. Sorry. So, what is on there? And those who subscribers want to speak me Hindi in the video, comment Hindi. If we get 500 comments with only word Hindi, so in my all videos I will speak Hindi. Okay, so let's do, bro. Let's do. It's not because nothing dweller is happening, bro. Where is dwellers? Where is dwellers? Where is dwellers? My lord, I'm just pausing this time because dwellers come out. Okay, I think so. There is a dweller there named the Disgust. Oh my god, the Disgust is on there. It's too horrific, bro. I am just pausing and waiting sometime on my house. But dwellers return. That's, bro, it's too scary looking. But I'm not getting on there because I am scared of Apollyon. Apollyon is just the biggest and the powerful horror mod that killed me already. I'm just respawn on there. I'm just waiting this and Apollyon come out and just spreading like a ladder on the top and kill me. And this spawn, I just spawned on the just shifting and with a iron golem he protect me. This protection I will just go on home and set all of them. So okay, I'm going to this. I'm going to the dweller. Let's go. I got my ultra modern wo. Let's go. Oh my god, yeah. Oh my god, the sound is too creepy. It doesn't hearing the sounds, but sound are too creepy, bro. Too creepy. Oh, Apollyon! No! Oh, no! Apollyon! Oh, shit, bro. Shit, Apollyon just killed me. This is night problem spell, but no, the sound of your what the hell? So, I'm just killed with the Apollyon respawner. I'm just getting my outro. So, oh, bro. Oh shit. So thanks for watching. If you get me 600 subscriber, I get not completely, but sure my face reveal. Did you want my face reveal? Subscribe and super thanks for watching. Bye bye my subscribers.